It's me, Dora here, and today we're going to get to the point with this Sound of Love. Let's see what we got. See, the hair flurry and pretty. Okay, elegant and pure. Aww. Then here, it's pretty detail here. Nice sleeves, gold and white. See, this is a pretty dress. I love the brocade here, the gold trim. Yeah, this one's definitely one of the better card suits. So if you got $5 to cough up, definitely get this like right away. These are pretty standard sandals. This is absolutely adorable. Like, oh my god, that's a must. Yeah, this is that's the thing, like things like this, like that's why a lot of the suits are worth it. Look how cute that is. Cute little angel, cute little owl, gorgeous wings. Yeah, I'll add that to the wing collection. I've got plenty of them. But it is a lovely set of wings, though. They all are. And this is nice. And that too. Aww. Okay. And this is a nice little harp here, or a lyre, rather. I think it's a lyre or a harp. I don't know. I just know that it existed in history. This is a pretty good sized suit for $5. Yeah. And that's it. Overall, absolutely gorgeous suit. Cute elements. Very good detail. No makeup as usual, but that's fine. Yes, for the low price of a latte, you can get this suit. This one I'm not sure I'm gonna do. This one's really beautiful, but just whatever. Okay, let's see what we got here. It's a pose. Oh, I even need to act. And then that's it. Yeah, pretty basic. Yeah, excellent suit. I don't need to do anything in a wish gate. 100%. How we're doing in the competition. Well, this one just got posted, so it'll be a while. But Sarah's doing real well. Look at that. And she has a number, by the way. And Proyas is also doing really well. And that's pretty much it. There's not much left for me to do, other than the shorts, of course. See you later. Goodbye. Like, subscribe, and all that rot.